I'm Sean Fox 2, and today I'm going to show you how to make a loopback connector. And what a loopback is speaks for itself. It's a RJ-45 cable. Take the CAT-5 end and some inside wire, and this is used for network diagnostics for the network interface card, so you can plug in, say, your Ethernet cable and you can perform diagnostics with it. And it also makes great keychain. I've seen them being used for different other things. First, you'll need a piece of CAT-5e or other type of cable with some kind of wire in it, and you're also going to need some crimpers and wire cutters. You're going to take the inside wires out of the shell, just pull them right apart, and after you get all that, pick two colors that you like, keep them together, like the white and green. Say I want to do blue and green, just take the other two, lay them aside. And with these two pieces, I kind of bend them together. You can do that, or you can wait and do it later. In the diagram, the way it shows is it has blue, green, blue, orange, brown, green, orange, brown. And instead of using colors like that, I mean, you can use them, but say if you're doing white, say you're doing the white and other colors, you can just substitute, like, say white and green for the orange. Just substitute for whatever colors you use. Make sure you have clean cuts on the ends, otherwise it'll be really hard putting it in the cable, in the actual end. It'll be really hard to fit in there. So our first color, it says on the diagram, is blue. So we're going to take the CAT-5 end, you only need one, and you're going to point the clip away from you. So put the blue in the first slot. On the diagram, it says blue in the third slot also, so you just kind of fit it right in there. And it says green in the second place and in the sixth. You can do one by one if you want. So orange goes in the fourth. Brown in the fifth. Make sure they're all the way in. You can tell, see if they're pressed up against the end. Then it says green in the sixth, and then orange in the seventh, and then brown finally in the eighth. And I kind of divide mine up, say one side and another, just kind of split them. Make sure, push them all in, make sure they're in there really good. Take your CAT-5 crimpers, just put it in, front slot, make sure it's all the way in there, and just crimp it. Do it pretty tight so they don't come apart. Just push it straight through, pull it out, and then kind of just twist the wires, unless you already have, and you can just twist them and make them look pretty neat. It's a pretty big one I made, and that's how you make a loopback. Now there is a difference between these two that I made. This one I made with a RJ-11, this one's a RJ-45. This one's like phone and this one's Ethernet. Now, this one only has 3 wires in it, and this one has 4. And basically this one doesn't work because I don't know of any way of testing something with this, but it's more for looks and keychain use. And this one's more for diagnostic stuff and can be used as a keychain as well. But some of the wires kind of cross over. In this one, they kind of go across to one side so they don't form a perfect loop. Whereas in this one, you can take the non-working one, you can take, say, one color on one side and put it on the other side. So blue loops around, and then green in front of that one, and green in front of the other one. So it goes blue, green, orange, orange, green, blue. And then that just creates a better loop. So they actually push together real well, and actually a little better. So that's better use for a keychain right there.